Today in this presentation we are comparing two digital artifacts. They are interactive activities that can be considered for use within the Growing Up unit of work. One of the content focuses within this unit of work is Living Things. It is a Stage 1 unit of work within the New South Wales Science and Technology syllabus. It is an important part of a teacher's role to be able to make an informative decision about digital artifacts that they plan to incorporate into their units of work. This comparison will provide an insightful look into these two artifacts, discussing why we believe that one artifact is more suitable than the other. The comparison will be made with regards to the quality teaching model. The use of technology assists students with their curiosity and desire to understand and interact with the world around them. We as teachers need to recognise that our students learn in different ways and at different rates. Therefore, we need to be flexible in adjusting our pedagogy to suit our students' learning styles.
This is the first artefact. It is from the BBC website and provides students with the opportunity to use trial and error through different scenarios to learn what makes and affects the growth of a plant. There are audio and visual cues to assist learners with all the instructions. There's a microphone they can select and they will hear the question. They can interact in the activity by selecting grow the plant, then they actually water the plant and watch it grow. It'll grow over a series of 4 weeks. They move through their scenarios. There's 3 different scenarios that they can move through, and then it will tell them to go on to the labelling the plant exercise. They go into labels. They then need to drag the label onto the plant. If it's wrong, it will just bounce back out for them. From there they will then move on to the quiz, where they can hear the question and actually hear each answer, multiple choice question, and down the bottom it will tell you what to do. And that will actually tell you that it's right and give an explanation. Upon answering the last question, they will select next, and then they will get a results screen appear at the end of the quiz. From here they can go and redo the quiz, or they can just go back to the activity and grow another plant if they so choose to. This activity allows connectedness with the outside world, where students are learning about what affects a plant. They can then go home and grow a plant successfully, knowing that it needs sun and water and a light, airy place. Whereas with Artifact 2, it's been sourced from Neo K-12. It's a vocabulary game where students read a card and decide whether it's part of a plant or not. There is a low level of engagement, as it's not very colourful. All they have to do is read the word, select yes or no. The card then moves into a box to be stored for later. If they want to, they can read the definition. If not, they don't have to. Anything that isn't a part of a plant goes into a recycle box. At the end of the activity, this is the page that will be shown. It will provide a score out of 20, a little bit of feedback, but that's the end of the activity. As there is no pictorial representation throughout the activity, and there is only visual cues, it doesn't cater for all learning styles within your classroom. Students do appreciate feedback at the end, but whether they actually go through and read the definitions on the cards is totally up to them. It's more a hit and miss activity, as there's no feedback or additional activities that can be done at the end.
We believe that if you can engage your students in the tasks they are doing, you'll have a better learning experience in your classroom. From the two artifacts we have presented today, there is clear evidence of the advantages to using Artifact 1 in the classroom instead of Artifact 2. Artifact 1 includes many elements from the quality teaching model that engage, connect, include, and provide students with deeper knowledge and understanding after participation in the lesson, whereas the limiting level of engagement, connectedness, and inclusivity displayed in Artifact 2 limits students' potential to engage in a quality learning experience. Thank you.